Sabelo wants to shoot Utsunami, saying it's either he dies or they do. The same gun is now putting his child at risk. They found Unosi playing with it. Then he decides to bring Uxoli back to the house. Now Usta wants to leave, saying she cannot live in the same house no Uxoli. And then Utsunami borrows 50k from Sabelo to go sort out the Vibes Billy electricity. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Amalanga Wafani. Usabelo took his gun, went to see Xoli and told her that he wants to go and shoot Tsunami because it's either he kills Tsunami or Tsunami is going to kill them. Xoli thinks, no, don't do that. You're going to thinking in. Let's talk to the police at police because they're on his payroll. I have to finish this myself. Now Ingane Sabelo is looking for something in the drawers and finds the gun. Now the kid is playing with the gun. When she found the kid playing with the gun, she called Usabelo. Sabelo came, begged the child Unosi to give it back. She gave it back, at least no one was harmed, but Star was fuming, saying, wenzani ngesibhamu la, sifuna nisibhamu la endlini, Sabelo. Waqala ke warasa because she's always making noise, Star bandla. She made a lot of noise saying, now Usabelo moves the gun to under the mattress. Athi yabona, you're still keeping it here. Agcina athi yazini ithi ngihambe ngiyobheka ingane. Jike Usabelo comes back esengena noXoli endlini. Yo, Usta lost it. Athi ufunani lona la. Athi no, she has to stay here so that she can be safe because she's not safe out there. Ngotsunami. Usta lost it. Athi no, there's no way ukuthi lo muntu lo who almost killed my kid uzohlala la. Sabelo athi ngeke ngizwe ngawe mina. uXoli uyahlala la, I need to protect her. uXoli realized I knew this is a bad idea. Tries to talk to Startups. Yezwe wena ungaqali la ngizokushaya ngenqindi ngiqumba phansi ngenqindi. Usabelo was trying to impress Xoli. Xoli must not worry, she must relax. Because Xoli was like, I thought this was a bad idea. I said, no, don't worry about it. Hlala nje ane drama lo. Uzoba right, wena nje go chill in a bubble bath. The next thing, Usta went upstairs to pack, comes down with 2 suitcases. Etienne, she's leaving. No, see, there's no way she's going to stay in the same house. No, Xoli. Usabelo is like, ungahamba wena, but you're not living with my child. How? Usabelo is willing to let Usta leave. Yena sale noma kamfana. Yo, madoda. Now, they're fighting over Unosi. Saying, akahamba umntwanami. Usta saying, I'm not going anywhere without Unosi. I'm living with her. Now they're fighting for the child. They're even hating her. Ingane sethi niyangilimaza man. uXoli says ukuthi aweneke ingane athi hey wena suka duze nomntanami, you almost killed umntanami, umbulali wena. Athi she tries to explain ukuthi no, I never wanted to kill your child, mina Star. It wasn't me. Nami nje bengixakiwe, but uStar won't hear it ukuthi uXoli naye they wanted uTsunami that wanted to kill her. Ngapha Sabelo was treating uXoli like a person lone condition enzima because she said she's dyslexic. Now is trying to treat her like a patient odinga ukubhalela yonke into ngathi wisdom, which enale nto imcasulile ke uStar. Now uShukela goes to Sabelo to borrow money, saying that is borrowing 50k unenkinga kanti she wants to sort out the electricity bill, say Vibes. As Sabelo did not even waste time, just went to the room, came back with the envelope of 50k. Yazi imali lula kanjalo kuSabelo and said umfowethu wena awubambela. Yo, you couldn't believe it. Ushukela ukuthi just like that nje washesha kangaka mfowethu. And then uThembi is frustrated. She lost a lot of food, so like a lot of food got spoiled because ungena gas. So now she lost a lot of money, about 150k. The next thing, ubona ugesi uyabuya. She was so happy that Usabelo managed to sort this out. Now she wants to know, but we chat up le mali athi yo, I told you I'm going to make a plan. Sazi uzothini when she hears that he got the money from her brother Usabelo. Now uXoli says that she's going to get her influencer friends to make the Vibes trend again. Shampoo Sipo tries to talk to Nandi, saying ukuthi bafanelena, as he keeps on trying, but uNandi nje won't hear it, saying ukuthi awuzibheke nami nje, you're not my type. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.